Today we're just having a plant haul update. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Today we're going to be updating my Pilea and seeing how it's doing. I took it outside and brought it back in. I don't see any pest problems on it. It's doing fine. It has some pups on them. And soil looks a little dry. We'll do a moisture test on that. And you can see the leaves haven't really perked up yet. We've been having some foggy, overcast days. So it hasn't been getting a lot of sun, but today is a nice sunny day, so I'm trying to keep it in the window. But this is how it looks so far. I think 2 weeks being in my care, a nice little planter I got there for it. You can see a little better. We're also going to be looking at my Christmas tree. I'm just going to point down here. My zebra plant flower. It's flowering pretty nice. I just wanted to get it on camera, and you can see there's a couple bulbs, other ones down there. Not too big on flowers, but it's a nice crazy shape to it. I've never seen something like Star Trek almost. Like I don't know, I just can't explain the shape, but it's not your average. And I don't know if I should pollinate it or cross-pollinate it, which I guess I can cross-pollinate it. Like touching, I gotta check on the pollination methods, how to make that flower seed, and maybe get another zebra plant that somebody else will be yelling at me about my too many plants. And that's the beef today also. I have too many plants. That's the problem. I've been looking at a staying at home goods, and that's my situation. And they're creeping towards the middle of the floor, and I need to put them up somewhere, but this is the best lighting I have in this house, so I can't really put them anywhere else. So we got to get a stand. What do you guys think I should do? I have like this is a bay window, and I think I should just go up there higher and just do levels and tiers. I looked at something real nice for over $100 that I'm thinking about, but I just want to make sure they just get enough sun and they just stop creeping towards the center of the floor, because I did divide my philodendron there, and I divided him there, and that's another one. So I did 3 plants, and now I have, or 1 out of 3 plants. I didn't do a video on that, but it was pretty fun and scary. I just like to my first time dividing it. If you're going to divide the plants, my suggestion to you is always try to use unchlorinated water. I don't like to use chlorinated water with any of the plants, but I soak the roots in water for about, I would say, 10 minutes, and we got the soil loose. And then with like a nice, clean, alcohol, just germ-free knife, I sliced the plant in half, and I got this guy. And now I got this guy here. Now do another close-up. And this is another plant. And actually, this is the mother plant of this guy, because I know I did a video on him when I severed the plant. I did do a video. Let me take that back. And that's this is how he looks so far. He's doing pretty good. And hopefully we'll get some pups out of that. I was checking on the growth rate of philodendrons. It said it grows a foot a year. I don't know if that's true. I'll research that, but that's what I'm hearing on web searches, as is growing a foot a year. So hopefully we can get some more growth out of these plants. That's my mimosa I got from Urban Garden or Urban Jungle. It's still doing good, stretching towards the light. Let's see if she'll close up. Ooh, it went all the way down. There you go. Close out. What up? What up? Get out of it. Get out of it. Get out of it. Ooh. My battery's about to die. Close up. Let's see. But anyway, oh, and I'm also having problems with my banana plant. So you can see I'm getting some burning leaves. They don't look good. So I moved him to a lighter location today. Because ever since I put him in the window in the kitchen, it's not doing too good. So I moved him here. That's Pedro over there. He's looking like lighter green up top. I don't know if you can see the color variation with the lighter green and it's darker here. Hopefully he's growing. Yeah, it's my pencil plant. It's growing big. I brought it inside. Everything's inside right now. But it is a nice sunny day. And once again, my Pilea, Rex begonia, fiddly fig. It's getting big. That one, where's the other one? Did a video on that, check it out. But that's it, folks.